How to find out what somebody did with your phone in your absence. Now, if somebody used your phone without your permission and went ahead to delete all evidence of tracing and deny not to have anything to do with that very phone, here is how to find out everything the person has used the phone for, the applications, everything the person has opened or used on that very phone. In this video, I'm going to reveal everything to you. So don't forget to subscribe for more and share this update for others to benefit from it. Come to your phone this way and dial *#*#4636 #*#* this way. Just head over to usage statistics, click on it and allow it to open. Once it opens this way, here are the list of the applications, the time and date it was opened, ranging from Facebook, Motorola application launcher, phone, that is a dialing pad, messages, phone service, TikTok, Google, settings, and all the rest, and the time, the date it was open. So if the person opened the phone, used one of the applications like a mobile app, all these applications, and deleted all the evidence that will make you know that he or she actually used it, and denied not to have anything to do with your phone, this is how you can actually know what and the applications the persons opened and closed, the time and the date. So share this thing for others to benefit from it. Okay, now if it doesn't work on your phone, I mean this very particular code, indicate on the comment section, then I will make another video tailored to the type of phone you are using. So don't forget to share and subscribe for more.